Hi, my name is Dr. Alan Oster. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Frankfort Regional Medical Center. I grew up in Boston, Massachusetts. I was poor growing up. We struggled financially. I dealt with issues with my parents being sick. My mother had a lot of issues with her feet. She had multiple orthopedic procedures and ended up having severe deformities of her feet that happened to happen with diabetes. And she was able to get her feet reconstructed and not lose them, essentially. And that's really what prompted my interest in orthopedics. She had this done right when I was finishing up high school. I actually became a doctor straight out of high school, basically. I got into a program at Boston University where they accepted me into medical school right then and there. I still had to do my undergraduate, but it was a guaranteed acceptance into medical school. And we did an accelerated track, so I did 3 years of undergraduate and then 4 years of medical school. I think it's very important to listen to your patients. I think it's important to not be judgmental when you're talking to patients. What they're experiencing is real to them, and while we may not always agree, I think it's important to keep a non-judgmental tone constantly. Well, I have 6 kids and I spend a lot of time with them. I spend a lot of time with my wife. I like to go shooting. I'm interested in sports. I like to watch football. It's one of my favorite sports to watch. My one regret is that I didn't play football, but watching it's the next best thing. Well, I'm passionate about my work. I enjoy what I do. I like being able to make a difference in a lot of patients' lives. I like the fact that there's a lot of complex problems that they come with, and all of a sudden we do a procedure and all of a sudden they're working again, they're walking around, they're doing what they couldn't do for a number of years. It's very gratifying to be able to have that opportunity.